Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can delete Instagram account permanently. In order to delete your Instagram account permanently, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application. So basically you'll have to log in from your web browser. So on the web address bar, type in instagram.com. After that, tap on the login button and make sure that you're already logged into your account. So after you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is basically how it's gonna look like. So once you're on this page, click on the profile icon located right at the bottom. After that, go ahead and tap on edit profile. Once you're on the edit profile page, you'll be able to make changes with your information. Scroll down to the bottom, click on temporarily deactivate my account. So basically you'll not be able to delete your account without deactivating it. So you'll need to wait for 30 days after deactivating your account, and only after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. Since you're deleting or deactivating your account, go ahead and select the reason. After that, type in the password for the confirmation, and once you're done typing the password, click on temporarily deactivate my account, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, you'll be logged out of the devices that you're currently logged in, and you'll be notified with a statement that your account has been temporarily deactivated, and after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. So if you change your mind in the meantime, you can log in within 30 days, but after that your account will no longer be able to recover. So in this way you can delete Instagram account permanently. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.